oiled weapon has no fingerprints. Dubious police accept her story. Sharon gets away with murder.
Dan could have fired a pistol, so they ruled it an accidental homicide.
From now on, Sharon Kinney will live her life by the law of the gun.
Sharon Kinney was a sociopath. She had no guilt, no remorse about hurting anyone. She had no empathy for human life other than her own.